After the launch of the new BMW 7 Series, BMW now makes a number of changes that make it more fierce. BMW 760Li xDrive ready to be BMW 7 Series most powerful. After the launch of the new BMW 7 Series, BMW now makes a number of changes that make it more fierce. BMW 760Li xDrive ready to be the most powerful BMW 7 Series. Think you the BMW 740Li is deserving of being hailed as BMW's generally perverted? Reconsidered on the grounds that there are more perverted BMW and can make Mercedes-Benz S65 AMG and Audi S8 cutter. Indeed, truth is stranger than fiction. BMW will discharge the speediest 7 Series at the forthcoming New York International Auto Show 2016. However, its name isn't the BMW M7, yet the M760Li xDrive. This is the first run-through BMW 7 Series with emblem be able to BMW M760Li motor. As a result of this M760Li, we discover the motor first. Behind the long hood, the V12 twin-turbo unit brings about an advance from Rolls-Royce with a limit of 6,600 cc, otherwise known as bigger than Lamborghini Aventador SP 6,500 cc. Most extreme power is 592 horsepower, while the torque is vast at 800 Nm. Facilitate, the torque has been felt since 1,500 revolutions per minute, so remain a little gas collect, auto can specifically in gas here. FYI, BMW 7 Series weights really great. BMW M760Li race. Matched with 8-speed program transmission that has been reset by BMW M760Li have AWD xDrive driving force division and torque more overwhelming to the back wheels than the front wheel, so don't be astounded if the character is like RWD Auto despite the fact that the first TAWD quickening 0-100 M760Li can be finished in 3.9 seconds just, with top speed is restricted electronically at 250 km/h. BMW Alpina V7 xDrive 2016 race. Twisted. Indeed, however, Alpina V7 xDrive truly feels significantly, additionally unnerving execution regardless of whether